slash Queenie, and today I will be scouting for 7 Lucky Gods Ellie with 50 love gems. I actually have her on my main English account. I got her from a solo when she first came out, but I would try to get her on this account where I have these beautiful cards. So Ellie is my best girl, and I really hope that I could get her. So I'm just gonna try the Umida method.
What about Moshe?
Moshe too. Okay, there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay. Okay. I won't have enough for a blue ticket, but if anything, I'll just sell something. Okay. I'm actually saving up for Ruby, but 7 Lucky Gods Ellie. She's so beautiful, Ellie. Please come home. That was expected. Oh, Ruby Numi, she's so pretty. I have her idolized on my side account. What should I sell? So I could do a blue ticket scout. I have 3 blue tickets right now, and I have 37 rares. If I sell all these rares, well, I guess I could do another Temple Swan. Moisha, should I do another Temple Swan?
Sure you can.
Okay, come on. You're going to press OK. Come here, Moisha. You're going to get a lot, remember? Just like last time. Okay, wait. Press OK. Okay, now. Oh, 2 Asars. Moisha, good job. Oh my God, yeah? Sorry for all the background noise. I'm just trying to... Please.
It's not doing this noise.
Okay, that wasn't such a bad scout, and now I'll be able to do a blue ticket scout. How much rares do I have? Wait, am I in the wrong thing? I think so. Oh no, my God, this is a mess. Everything, I fail at everything. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Oh wait, it says right there. Goodbye. Sacrifice for a good cause. Okay. Oh, damn it. Oh, fuck, it's in the Christmas box. Damn it. Okay. Okay, let's go. I'm ready. I'm ready.
You ready?
Yes.
What? Stop screaming. Are you kidding me? Stop screaming.
I have tricolor URs.
No.
Oh my God. I'm gonna scream. Oh my God. Holy shit.
What's this?
Oh my God. Oh my God, I can't breathe. Oh my God. is my second best girl, and I'm gonna scream. Thank you, thank you. Oh shit. Okay. Thanks for watching. I'm just gonna be over here crying. Maisha, can you please stop? Maisha. Just gonna be over here crying about my fruits umi and everything else because I'm gonna scream right now and save up love gems for Ruby and bye guys.